As y'all can see, he have every piece, every trim, every corner piece, all of it. The corner pieces, y'all can see right there. Got the corner pieces, the little half round piece that goes right under that rear window.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block life for so long that I felt boxed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up, guys? This your boy Deuce back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Now, y'all seen by the title, y'all know what we finna be doing. I was gonna make the dude an offer, if y'all remember in the previous videos, but I found someone selling basically the exact same trim with all the same parts that the dude I was gonna make an offer for, or offer to. I found the exact same one for cheaper, so I won't have to make an offer. I can just straight out pay. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. We're gonna be ordering finally the vinyl top trim. So the price I was looking to pay, you feel me, I found it. Instead of me having to offer what I was trying to pay, I found the price that I was trying to pay, you feel me. The dude that I was gonna offer, he was asking $400 for it. And this is all on eBay, so you can make offers on certain people's posts that they put online. So the dude wanted $400. $400 is a little crazy because as y'all don't know, I don't need every trim piece. I literally have the passenger side half of the trim, and then I have the entire top of the trim. So I don't need all of the trim. I only need like 3 pieces. So I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm gonna be ordering. And yeah, we're gonna get that order, get that placed, and get everything done, you know what I'm saying? So before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Y'all won't miss a video. Y'all be on beat, on point, in rotation with me while I'm recording this stuff and dropping, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, we finna get right into it. Shouldn't be too long, should be fairly quick. And like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the trim that I'm ordering, and tell y'all a little bit about it, you feel me? Because you feel me, I don't need every trim. So yeah, we finna get right into this video in 1 second. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Now, like I was saying, I don't need the entire trim. I already have literally the entire passenger side and the entire top. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 pieces. All I'm missing is 1, 2. All I'm missing is like 3 or 4 pieces. Now, what I'm finna order, I'm gonna show y'all the offer, or the one that I was gonna offer to do. It's the exact same trim as just the one I was gonna offer to do. The one that's $400. He have all the trim except for the small little centerpiece that go at the top of the vinyl trim to connect the 2 middle pieces that go across the top of the roof. So he missing that, just like the one I'm finna go ahead and just buy straight out without having to make an offer. He's missing that too, so I'm gonna have to still find that. It's a small little piece that connects the 2, so I'm gonna still have to find that regardless. But at least now I don't have to try to make the offer. I can just straight up buy straight out, you know what I'm saying? So this should be fairly quick, fairly simple, fairly easy, you know what I'm saying? We gotta transfer stuff from one account to another. That way we can get that done, and then you feel me, just place the order. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go over a limit, so that's why I'm gonna be transferring from one account to another. I want to set a limit, you know what I'm saying? So it's only so much I'm finna spend, so that's why I'm transferring a certain amount to one account to a different account, so that way, you feel me, I'm not going over what I'm trying to spend. And yeah, like I said, I only need 3 pieces. So let me show y'all what I'm finna order. So if y'all don't know, this is what the vinyl trim looks like. So this is not the one I'm ordering. This one they want like $500 for. I'm not paying that, you feel me? I'm not paying that for some trim. But this is what the trim looks like. And like I said, I'm missing literally this bottom piece, the second bottom piece, and then half of that back piece. That's all I'm missing. Everything else I have. Now in his picture, let me see if I can zoom in. So this is the little small centerpiece that connects the 2 top pieces of the trim. Now none of the ones that I found that I'm finna try to buy have it, so I'm gonna have to try to find that piece online, like just by itself, you know what I'm saying? Try to order it like that. It's missing that centerpiece. Now like I said, I'm not paying $500 for this one. I'm not buying this one, so that's not the one I'm getting. Now the one I'm finna get, yeah, this the one. As y'all can see, he have every piece, every trim, every corner piece, all of it. The corner pieces, y'all can see right there. Got the corner pieces, the little half round piece that goes right under that rear window, the little small rear window, and then both of the roof pieces, and then the back piece, that long one and that long one. Both of them are the back pieces. So he has all the trim except for that little small piece that connects these two big ones together. So it's the only piece he missing in this sale. But like I said, I don't have to make an offer on this. I can go buy them straight out. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Don't have to make an offer. I'm gonna buy them straight out. So yes sir, that's what we finna get ready to do. So like I said, I need to transfer money from one account to another. So that's what I'm finna do first. Get that off, get that off. So yeah, let me go ahead and transfer the money from one account to another. Transfer there. Type in how much I need. Alright. Wait for that to go through and update it. Let me update it now. Alright, and now it's on there. Hold on 1 second. I just seen a notification. I wish I could have got back because I deleted it. But let's go ahead and try to place this order. And it says it should be in, what's today? The 2nd, so it should be in by next week. Okay. One second, y'all. My calculations was a little short, so I gotta add a little bit extra cash, transfer it to a different account. All right, that went through again. All right, hold on, y'all. 1 second. Like I'm trying to get everything situated. All right, confirming and paying. Let's see if it goes through. Yes, and it did. Y'all heard that notification? That's money coming off and my confirmation. I'm gonna just take a screenshot and show y'all in the screenshot. Do it that way. That way y'all don't get none of my extra information. Thank you for shopping with us. Order confirmed. So, as y'all see, I got a couple of things in my cart, which I'm not too pressed on getting right now. I don't need. But, order was confirmed. So, it's... go to order details so I can see when it's supposed to come in. So it's still going through processing to make sure he get the money, then he can ship it off. And one thing about eBay is trustworthy. So it's another thing I really love about eBay, you feel me? If he tried to scam me, he can't. I end up getting my money back. So it's a dub, you feel me? It's a dub. And it's saying it should arrive by December 8th. Today is December 2nd, by the way, 2nd day of December. I wish I would have participated in Vlogmas, but it is what it is. But yeah, order went through. Order's on its way. And it's saying it should be here by December 8th, which is Friday. So between then, it should be in. Clear that out. What else do I need to order? I don't really know what else I really need to order. I'm not gonna order nothing out. I'm gonna spend too much money within this past week and a half. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we bought the dash cover, the wiper arms, and the mirror, and we spent $400 something on there, 400 somewhere around there, and then we just spent another $700. That's almost $1,000 on some little parts, but you feel me? Gotta get bought anyway. So, ooh, guys, I just found that trim piece. Dang, they want $50 just for this little piece. Guys, I just found it. that's the piece that I need to hold the top of the vinyl trim. So I'm finna save this, and dang, $50 though for that little bitty piece is crazy. But I gotta get it. So I'm gonna end up ordering that later on. I'm not gonna order that today. Yeah, I'm not gonna order that today. I'm gonna end up ordering it though. So I'm not gonna come to y'all on video to order that. But I did want y'all to know and see that I ordered that vinyl top trim. So huge dub. Huge dub. Yes sir. So got that done, got that out the way. So spent a hefty little check this week, y'all, and order was just confirmed. He just sent me my confirmation email. Y'all heard it. So the order was confirmed, and it's saying it should be here Friday December 8th through Tuesday December 12th. So be on the lookout for that. Good little day. I mean, even though I spent a whole lot of money, it's gonna be worth it in the end because I need it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. I done spent a lot of money, but it gotta be spent anyway. So, and I know I can make it back. It might take me a little while to make that band back, but well, I ain't even spend the whole $1,000, but you feel me? I'll make it back. So I'm not too pressed on it. I'm not too worried about it. But like I said, it had to be bought, had to be done, and I had to get it sooner or later. And I'm glad I found it at the price that I wanted to pay, than having to pay that extra $100. That's $100 saved in my pocket. So I know y'all gonna probably be like, you quit being cheap. And that's money being saved to where I could put towards something else. So regardless of what y'all say, we got the trim and it's on its way. And now we're just missing that small little centerpiece, which I'm gonna get probably this week. I'm gonna go ahead and try to order that as well. That way that'll be in. And oh dang, I forgot, I also got to get them things to actually hold the trim on. It's some small little pieces, and you got to put them on the car to where it'll actually hold the trim. If not, the trim won't stay on the car, you know what I'm saying? So need to order that too, but that's only like $10. I already seen that on Amazon for like $10, so I'll probably order that today. So yeah, like I said, it was a good little day. Spent a lot of money throughout this week and a half, but it needs to be bought. So regardless, I had to get it sooner or later, and I'm glad I got it sooner and at the price that I wanted to pay, because I know this stuff ain't gonna get cheaper. So I told y'all by the end of the month I wanted to buy everything. By the end of November I wanted to have the dash and that trim order and reach that goal, you feel me? Got the dash order by the end of November, and then literally today is December 2nd, which is the very beginning of December. Got the vinyl trim ordered. So yeah, now we just waiting on the dash to come in. I'm gonna do a review on that, and waiting on the trim to come in. I'm gonna do a review on that. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Y'all won't miss a video, y'all won't miss a beat. Y'all be in rotation with me and these videos, you know what I'm saying? Trying to think what else I need to talk to y'all about. I think that's really it. I don't think there's nothing else I need to talk to y'all about. Yeah, as y'all know, we got our parts. Some of the parts came in that we ordered in video. We're waiting on literally just the dash cover to come in from that video. Then this video, we just waiting on the vinyl trim, which I'm pretty sure that'll be in before the dash. The dash is a pretty big order, well, a pretty big package, I should say, and ain't no telling how long it's gonna take for them to actually get it here. So yeah, I'm not gonna rush it. Like I said, I'm not in a rush anyways, because I don't even have the car back. So being patient with everything, with the orders, with the car, being patient with everything, getting the car finished. I'm not in a rush to get nothing done. I'm having fun building these cars, and I know if I start rushing, I'm gonna lose all motivation and stop having fun. So I'd rather have fun and do it at my pace than be rushed to do it at somebody else's pace that's not even paying for the car to get done. So yep, a lot of things I'm trying to do, a lot of things I'm trying to get done. I'm trying to grow this channel to as far as I can get it to grow. So hopefully I get to the point I want to be. The end of the year is almost here. I'm like 300 subscribers away from 3K. Might not reach it, might reach it, never know. Maybe a video will blow up. never know until something happens. You know what I'm saying? All I know is I'm praying, and I'm gonna keep being motivated, you know, day to day. Keep being motivated to keep grinding. So, and y'all know the grind don't stop. We're gonna forever keep grinding. Even when I reach my goal, I'ma still grind. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna give up on this. Even if it don't happen, I can at least say that I tried. So, moving on to that subject, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. If y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals. You know what I'm saying? Y'all motivate me to go after my dream and my goal, which is this: content creation, recording videos, picking up my camera, and having y'all with me on a day-to-day basis. Y'all motivate me to go after my dream, so I want to do the same for y'all. I want to motivate y'all to go after y'all dream and go, at least give it a try. I don't want y'all to have no regrets to where y'all are saying, I wish I would have tried this, I wish I would have tried that. Go ahead and try it, you feel me? And the least that you can say is that you tried and you gave it your all. That's what I'm doing now with YouTube. I'm trying, giving this my all, and one day it might work out, one day it might not. I just know that I'm not gonna give up yet. So I want y'all to go ahead and get motivated by me, like y'all motivate me to go after y'all dream. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me and always rocking with me. I love y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one.